phones that way anymore. So there's a brand new method. Okay, now this is going to sound weird, but the first thing you want to Google is McAfee. Okay, I spelled it wrong, but you know. Okay, you head over to McAfee. Okay, now what this is going to do is it's going to enable software on your computer which is currently linked to the Apple software in the building. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to click for business, because this is a business related thing. You want to get a free iPhone. Okay, then you scroll down and then you click learn more. Okay, and then when you get down to simplify, you want to click learn more again, and then you download the data sheet. Now this is the most important part about the whole tutorial here, is that this document contains vital information about the new iPhone 8, which is currently unannounced. Apple wanted to hide this from us, however I managed to find out a way by decoding the MD5 hash, and now we have data here. So we call this file, specifically this, we call it data underscore Apple underscore iPhone underscore 8. Okay, now that's what we want to save the file as. You want to save that on your desktop. Make sure it is on your desktop, otherwise this will not work. Now we close Google Chrome here, and then we open up the PDF. It opens up in an Internet Explorer, and if that doesn't happen, then I'm afraid something's wrong. So right now what we want to do is we look for keywords in the PDF file. So currently, you know, it just looks like a standard, you know, internet security. But behind all of this, there is a huge ploy of hiding Apple's new iPhone. So as you can see here, all of these red text here, they stand out more than the rest. So what you need to do is you need to open up a separate notepad file. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to copy each and every single one, and then you're going to want to paste it, and it all adds up at the end. So we get this here, we copy all of this, and then we keep pasting it, and it together at the end it will make perfect sense. So here's a few more that we need to copy. There's this one right here, another data sheet. These are the core, these are usually the main variable of the coding here. You'll see that at the end, and the last little one here that they probably didn't want you to see is right there. So now if you can clearly see at the end of the, every red text here is a word. Now we add all those words up, so we delete all the previous words, get rid of this one, that one, this one, that one, this one, definitely this one, this is a long one, and that one. So now we're left with sheet, communication, dynamics, ecosystem, sheet, all, sheet, engine security. Now we can remove the period at the end here. Now with these keywords, we head back over to our Google Chrome, we go over to YouTube, and we type in every keyword, and then we press enter. We go on the top video here, Google Cloud. This is an official Google video. Google and Apple are linked socially, and they're good friends. So on this video we have to thank them, you know, for being our friend, and hopefully you'll receive an email within the next, you know, 48 hours. So usually you just have to leave a nice comment, and then I'll get back to you. Usually the code that works the best, it triggers the bots to email you quicker. So what you want to do is you want to paste all that information, and then you want to say a nice little message afterwards. So thank you Google Cloud, I appreciate the new iPhone 8 completely unannounced. Sorry about that. I will treat it nicely, and I do like tea with 3 sugars. Now this depends on how many sugars you like in your tea, you know. The key word here is, the key number here is how many iPhones you will receive. So in this case I asked for 3. I don't want to be too greedy and say, like, you know, 5. I don't want to take that many. And at the very end of that you're going to put your email. So what you have to do is you have to go to emo.net. Now this is the Zalgo text generator. This usually bypasses all of the YouTube security so that we cannot be caught. So in my case, I have an email which I don't use. It's under the radar. It's an anonymous email. But for the sake of this video, I will just show you what happens when this data works. So I'm going to type in my email now. Okay, then you click he comes, and then you copy the email. So this would normally be your email. Make sure you do not use a email provided by any sort of government or that sort of thing. I know mine's Gmail, but I managed to decrypt the Gmail, and now this is it just displays Gmail when really it's actually linked to zalgoroid.net. So you want to copy that and paste it right there, and then you want to say he comes, thank you. Now that all of this is the key stuff to get your iPhone 8. Then you click comment, and then you just wait, and then within 48 hours you will get an email back. Okay guys, we are back 2 days later. I've been waiting for my email and it has came through, I believe. We're just going to open up Google Chrome now just to check, just to double check that we did receive an email, and we did. This should be the email you should receive. Dear Bongo, Bongo 116, activate. Here is your new phone. Thanks man, no problem. Okay guys, now you're wondering why do you have this picture? Okay, so now this picture is the key component to the entire thing. So basically, what you want to do with this is you want to